Hello, lovely people again. Right, today I'll be a little bit more sensible and talk about this Perth purchases. Here we have Class 42 Warship, they called that for some reason. And here we have the Class 52, they called them the Westerns. Now, I think that the Westerns were called the Westerns because they've worked somewhere Western. But after doing some research, I've discovered that's not true. They were called the Westerns because John Wayne used to drive them. And the Warship, why would you call a train a warship? Well, again, after some research, it turns out that's actually a misnomer, a misspelling, because they used to be driven along a track that passed a load of churches, and therefore it wasn't warship, but worship. That's another true fact for you people. Anyway, this thing's a bit bustified. It's got a light at one end, and the bodywork's a bit iffy. It's a bit scruffy really, but I don't really care. I'll fix that up. I'll invent some way of keeping this body on. And this one had really ancient couplings. Things, they go through the wee slot in the bodywork there, and they're screwed on. So, in order to actually dismantle the bogie, you have to unscrew that. So, they were these old funny wee like triang clip things that go like that. So what I've done is I've bought some kind of namey couplingy things, right? What are they? Anyway, the idea is, what are they called? It doesn't even say. Oh, they're Lima. Oh, well, who cares, right? The idea is I'm going to glue them onto a piece of card like this, and then slide it through, and I'll put super glue on the card to stiffen it up, then make a wee hole, and then screw them in the way that the original thing was screwed in. That is the plan. And the other thing, very briefly, I want to discuss with you people is who made this? This thing, actually I don't know who made this either. 42 Lima, Italy. Right. This, however, has had this bit here replaced. I think it's like folded plastic. It's quite a neat job. But I can't remember how you take this apart again, but if I just gently try and do it. God, don't say I screwed it back together. Was it screwed back together? Right, I'm not going to bother, but there's actually... I will try and do it. Hang on a minute, right, I'll just stop. Did that stop? Pain in the arse, this thing. Hello? Right, that's that apart. Now, this is really weird. So, it's got two... how to describe... two individual chassis that clip into the bodywork, and there's a whole load of blue tack in there. I didn't put that there. Thought this is exactly the sort of thing I would do. But look at this. But this is one for the boffins out there. What the hell is that? I mean, it's a motor, but it drives all 6 wheels on the power bogie. Oh, and should I say, like to emphasize this, it's very metal. Both sides very metal. So, the question is, because that bit there was the middle bit, plastic folded over bit, that would probably have the name of the manufacturer on it. But it doesn't, obviously. So, question is, boffins, Who made Western Vanguard? Okay, that's what I want to know. Obviously, normally I know everything. Not. But, so, if I get any feedback at all from this, please tell me, who do you think made this? Because I haven't got a clue, and it's, curiosity. Anyway, we'll, well, that'll do just now, just a wee quickie about these two fellies. Seeing as I've not done much railway stuff for a while, because I can't be bothered, but, yeah. Right, adios.